going on, guys? Welcome back to the official life of S&J. Today, me and Stephanie are going to be trying to vlog again. We are going to Kimball Farms, somewhere in Massachusetts. You already know. We're gonna be going with her mom, dad, and sister. So tune in, and we'll see you guys when we get there.
For those who don't know what it is, it's just a place where they have like zip lining, mini golf, and a whole bunch of other stuff.
Yeah, so y'all see what's going on. But we'll see you when we get there.
We arrived to the Kimball Farms. We just got our tickets, and Jonathan's right there. We're gonna go on our first ride. It's the water bumper cars thing. So let's see how that goes. We're probably gonna get really wet.
We better have fun today, guys. Tune in. We are about to get it. So this is what me and Steph's family are about to do, guys. Hopefully I could record while driving with one hand, so we'll see what I can do. Alright guys, I'll see you shortly.
Wait, do we have to pull this out?
I don't think so. Oh, that's nice. Mother Nature is a blessing.
Enemy spotted.
I'm about to hit the Mean Donuts. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh man, my head hurts. Oh, damn! Oh, I'm not feeling too well. Yo, leave me alone. I'm getting too dizzy for this. Oh man, my head hurts. So me and Steph are gonna go eat now. We're gonna go get some good eats, right, babe? We starving. But we'll get back to you when we figure out what to eat. I'm probably gonna get the fish and chips.
Fish and chips, right?
Yeah, and then baby right here. What you getting, babe?
Probably a cheeseburger.
This girl's getting a cheeseburger. As y'all can
But
see.
do you read that? It says it doesn't. It comes with all those sides, but it doesn't say French fries. But it says watermelon.
Don't worry, babe. I'll get you right. For your boys out there, if you got a girl, don't let your girl starve. That's number one. Alright guys, so me and Steph got our food. I got my fish and chips and Stephanie got her burger. We about to devour our food. Alright guys, so me and Stephanie and her family finished eating. I think we are about to go on the zip lines now. So this over here, guys, is the batting cage. But we are trying to get to the zip lines. Take a flick, babe. Get right, girl. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. Hey, damn.
Okay.
Wait. Alright guys, so we are about to do the regular bumper cars. Ladies over there. And I'm gonna try my best to record. Because I have to use both hands, so I'm doing it for you guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh snap. Oh. You stuck, babe? You stuck? Oh! Dang! Oh! They hurting me!
Exit
your car.
That was it. That was a good run.
Hey guys, we just got off the bumper cars. We are now gonna go zip lining.
On the game.
Show them the seat.
Okay. That's the seat over there, guys. Man, I'm guessing we're going all the way up there. So I'm gonna try my best for y'all to get it all on camera. So we'll be back. Alright, me and Stephanie are on. Oh damn!
God, damn!
Oh damn, man! You ready?
You better hold on to that tight because that thing's gonna drop us. Oh my god, I just remember this thing's gonna drop us.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jonathan, hold on to it tight.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm not looking. Oh! Oh, that's not bad.
I know that ain't that bad. Oh my head That wasn't that bad, babe. Oh, yeah. Oh! Jeez. Woo!
Definitely got a whip.
Alright, guys. Me and Steph made it home. And I hope y'all enjoy our vlog we had today. Me and Steph had a great time. Stephanie is about to go to sleep, so she's not gonna wrap up with me, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank y'all. We love y'all, and have a blessed, wonderful day or night wherever you are. Yeah, dig.